Hey, have you ever walked away from a conversation at work or maybe at home or anywhere and you thought, ugh, it could have gone way better? Or maybe someone shared something vulnerable and then you just froze in the moment. Or maybe a coworker was just clearly off and you weren't exactly sure what or how you should ask or if you should just stay quiet. Or maybe you said something in the heat of the moment and then you regretted it right after. Well, listen, we've all been there. And that is exactly why today we're talking about how to actually use emotional intelligence, not just how to manage your emotions in isolation, but to build better, stronger, more meaningful relationships with the people around you. Because emotional intelligence, it isn't just about you. It is about how you show up for others, especially in the moments that matter. So let's break it all down. Now, there are three powerful ways emotional intelligence comes to life in your relationships through empathy, social skills, and conflict resolution. So let's go ahead and explore how each one works and how they're connected.